Hi guys, welcome to your 15-minute cardio HIIT workout using the reformer. Now let's get started. First I want you to put on one red spring on your carriage or one full spring, and then we're going to make our way to the right side. And we're going to come into a nice deep lunge. So on that front knee bent to 90 degrees, back leg is fully straightened out, arms are fully straightened out. We're coming into our prancing first for 1 minute. So when you're ready, we're going to come in, lift that knee up into the tricep, and then land nice and soft here. So you're keeping that back leg fully straightened out, picking that right knee up into your triceps. Squeeze those abs in. Again, 1 minute here. Good. We've got about 20 seconds left, and then we're going to switch sides. And 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Carefully step over and switching sides. Go into that same thing. So big press back into that lunge and all the way up. Remember, we're keeping that back leg fully locked out. Good. We've got right at 10 seconds left, and then we're going to go into a plank on the reformer. 3, 2, 1. All the way down. All right, so hands down onto your deck, feet back into the shoulder blocks, big press back into a plank here, holding for 1 minute. Now always with your plank, press down through your hands, nice and long through your body. Squeeze those legs in, squeeze your core in. This is your break. Just slow your heart rate down a little bit. Nice deep inhale, slow exhale out. Good. We've got 30 seconds. Now, as always, you can modify your plank. You could bring your knees down if you need. You come onto your forearms on the foot bar. Good. 10 seconds. And then back on that first side, we're going to go into arabesque next. 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Step back off onto that first side. Press all the way back into your lunge. This is your starting position. We're going to kick our leg back and up as we come in this time. Coming into an arabesque. Now notice, as I kick, I'm keeping that kicking leg nice and long. I'm not bending it, kind of like a donkey kick. You're going to reach out through your toes. And still landing as soft as you can every time. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Switching sides. Same thing. Big press back through that right leg and kick that left leg as you bring the carriage in. Now, if you want to make this even harder, if this seems easy to you, Try breathing only through your nose. That's gonna limit your oxygen intake. It's gonna make your cardiovascular system work that much harder. Good, we've got 10 seconds. Then back into our plank. This time, forearms on that foot bar in 3, 2, 1, all the way down. So giving those wrists a little break. When you're ready, big press back here. Forearms on that foot bar. Good, keep that core nice and tight. And again, if you need to, you could always bring your knees down here. Good, 30 seconds. Come on, keep pressing down through those arms. Last 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Back off to our first side. We're going back into our prancing. So second round of this. We're going quick. Trying to get that heart rate up and then slow it down a little bit, then get it back up again. Again, squeeze your heel up towards your butt. Good, 15 seconds. Then switching sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Good, carefully switch sides. Same thing, big press back, right into that arabesque. Excuse me, that prancing. You kind of think as you lift up, like you're crunching your core in, doing a little sit up or V up. Good, a little less than 30 seconds. And then back into our plank, hands down on the deck. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Hands onto the deck. Big press back. And again, you can keep the knees down if you need to, or you could go into your full plank. Good, tighten that core. Think shoulders, hips, and knees all in one long line. Good, 30 seconds. Keep breathing. Try to slow your heart rate down some here before we go into arabesque next. Again, we'll be finishing off round 2 here, and we're over halfway through our workout. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Step off on that right side. Same thing, going into arabesque. So kicking back. And here, kind of think of this as more like your plank that you're just doing. Really zip up that low belly, pulling it up underneath your ribs. So we're creating that nice stable pelvis and lumbar. We do not want to arch into your back like that. We're creating length as we lift up and kick. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Switch sides. Same thing. Arabesque. Big press back. When you're ready, big kick. You're looking good. Come on, keep it up. Less than 30 seconds. Then into your next plank. Come on, you got this. 10. Keep squeezing through that hamstring and glute to lift that leg for 3, 2, 1. All the way down. Forearms to your foot bar. Again, press that carriage back. You could have the knees down, doing the modification like I am. Or if you want to go into your full plank, you could do your full plank. Nice big breath in. Slow that heart rate down. These planks are your rest period. That way you can go all out during our active period. We've got 20 seconds left here. For this last 3 minutes, we're gonna go each side and then one more plank. On each side, this round I'm gonna mix my prancing and arabesque. I'm gonna prance, land, arabesque, land. 3, 2, 1. Step back off to that first side. Right foot on the floor, big press back, prance, land, arabesque, land, prance, land, arabesque. Keep it up, 1 minute here. Last time on this side, finish strong. Keep that back leg nice and long. Keep pressing down through your arms on that foot bar. And breathe. Good, 15 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Switch sides. Same thing. Prance, then arabesque, and go. You got this. Come on, 30 seconds. Finish out strong, 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 strong. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Land back into your plank one more time. Hands down that deck. Again, either knees lifted. We're doing this modified version. 1 minute. My heart rate is up. This 15 minutes is all you need for a good HIIT workout. Doing that once a week will help with your cardiovascular endurance so much. "20 seconds. Last 10. 3, 2, 1. All the way in. All right, so that is it for today. Again, 15-minute cardio HIIT class on the reformer. Prancing each side, then you plank. Arabesquing each side, then you plank. That's 1 round. We did 2.5 rounds today. You could always extend it out if you want to make it a little bit harder and go 3, 4 rounds, or if you need to shorten it to just 1 to 2 rounds and warm your way up, you can do that as well. So that is it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful week. See you next time.